Hello, everybody. This is Rick Nielsen from Cheap Trick. You know, whenever we get into Rochester, we go completely nuts with CMF 96 FM. Oh, yeah.
Now, into the newsroom, to the man who calls himself the doctor of radio news,
although many of us may want to get a second opinion.
Blaine Schwartz.
Aha. Happy birthday to the Ayatollah Khomeini today.
Just take those old records off the shelf.
On CMF 96 FM, welcome into a Thursday morning with Chuck Ingersoll. It's 10 minutes after 7. 42 in town. Look for pleasant skies and sunshine, warmer temperatures today and tomorrow. Well, sometimes when you're an ex-president and you have to make a couple of sacrifices for the good of the country, I guess everybody feels the pinch of government cutbacks. And the General Service Administration, the federal purchasing agency, has decided old Richard Nixon, our old buddy, is going to have to get along without a sauna in his office in San Clemente, California. But fear not, spending hasn't been cut to the bone, so Dick is going to get a nice new shower for his office instead.
My fellow Americans, well, this is Richard Nixon. You're listening to WCMF 96.5 FM, and, excuse me, is this taped? Forget it.
Eric Clapton at the War Memorial Arena.
And now CMF digs up the dirt with hot Hollywood garbage.
Well, teen temptress Brooke Shields is now 14. She's found her first serious stud in Life Garrett.
We're CMF 96 FM. Kenny Loggins, Jim Messina, and those angry eyes. Good afternoon. My name is Bill Martin. This week's CMF Sunday night begins at 7 o'clock with an hour of Eddie Money on the Backstage Music Special, followed at 8 o'clock by the Great American Radio Show with music and talk from Orleans, Van Halen, Supertramp, and a whole lot more. CMF and the album Parallel Lines. Here's Blondie.
Rock Communications Westridge Shopping Center.
And Linda Ronstadt is now not only shopping around New York for a new apartment, but according to some sources, she is also looking for a new band. It's nothing personal, she says. The old band is just great. But Linda claims she simply wants a new sound. With a look at the music people, I'm Jim Hooley for CMF.
Who was the fastest runner in history? If you think you know the answer, give Chuck Ingersoll a call tomorrow morning at 20 minutes before 8 o'clock. He'll have the answer then and be giving away Elvis Costello's Armed Forces and also copies of Orleans' latest called Forever. You can hear that riddle 4 times each weekday on CMF 96 FM. On the album capsule tonight with Gary Whipple, he's got 2 great records for you. At 7:35, Gary will be capsulizing Tommy from The Who, one of my all-time favorite albums. And at 9:35 tonight, he'll be capsulizing the brand new one from the Charlie Daniels Band called Million Mile Reflections with Gary Whipple tonight on the CMF album capsule. We are CMF 96 FM with music from Firefall. 96 FM, we're CMF, Renaissance from A Song for All Seasons, and Northern Lights. Their new album should be out within weeks. You keep on listening to CMF for further details. Some George Harrison and music from Wings before that. Coming up next, we've got music for you from Ambrosia. They're valued at $70 each. What are they? They're the Good Rats Rare album, recorded live in the CMF downstairs studio. You can win a copy of this album from CMF Thursday and Friday, and there's an added bonus. It's signed by all the members of the band.
For almost 10 years, the Sound Chamber.
We're always ready to help Tuxedo Junction.
Thanks for stopping by tonight. I'm Gary Whipple with you on this Wednesday night. It's Over the Hump Night in Rochester.
I'm Jeff Craig with 60-Second LP. We'll take a look at the new Tarney Spencer Band album next.
No time to lose, no time to lose. I wish I'd never seen her walk away.
This coming Friday, a sold-out show in town, Van Halen along with the Granati Brothers.
I'm Bruce Springsteen, and who are you?
All right, this is Clarence Clemens, the big man.
And we're both listening to WCMF in Rochester. All right.